I have introduced to you about the name and the animal sound of the domestic animal. See you again on the following video. This is a hen. The hen is leading the chicken to find out the food. This is a cow. Cows are grazing grass. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is finding food in the cold weather. This is a dog. The dog is gnawing a tree. This is a sheep. Sheep are grazing grass. This is a pig. The pig is in their pigsty. This is a cat. A cat is playing with rope. This is a mouse. The mice are in their hole. This is a frog. The frog is jumping. Thanks to watch video. Let's register to follow the newest and the most interesting video of BonBi TV. Goodbye and see you later on the next video.